I'm Rachelle, herbalist, holistic health practitioner, and your host of Plant-Based. And today we are making the one and only smoothie recipe you may ever need. This is my absolute favorite recipe, and I love it because it's a recipe template. This has all of the pieces that will allow you to make amazing smoothies for as long as you want without making the same smoothie over and over and over again. So super simple. We start with fruit. And I feel like the classic combination is banana and blueberry. You cannot go wrong with banana and blueberry. The other fruits that I like are berries, like raspberries, blackberries. We're going to add blueberries. I love to try to find wild blueberries if possible, but if not possible, then just regular blueberries. Then we are going to do, and you must do this, fresh greens. So I like spinach, because spinach basically just disappears in a smoothie, and a handful is nice. I really prefer 2 handfuls, so about 2 cups, like really fill up that blender. We're like sneaking in a salad for breakfast. And then we definitely want fiber. If you know me, you know how much I care about and talk about and preach fiber. Basically, everyone needs more fiber. We need different kinds. We want prebiotic, soluble, insoluble, more, and from really good sources. So in this smoothie, we're going to do a prebiotic fiber, and the easiest is just some acacia fiber. Super easy to find, really affordable. Just do a teaspoon, or you could do a tablespoon, or you could do 2 tablespoons. And that prebiotic fiber is what probiotics eat to stay alive. So prebiotics feed probiotics, and that is a good thing. We are also going to do chia seed or flaxseed or hemp hearts. Chia and flax are my favorite for fiber and also essential fatty acids. These are great for energy, blood sugar stability. Fiber in general is great for blood sugar stability. And then we're gonna do some plant-based protein. With plant-based protein, and with protein in general, I could talk to you about it for an hour, but what I'll say, this is important. We need less than we think. The general consensus has come to us needing about 12% of our total calories to come from protein. We eat protein in order to get amino acids. We can also get amino acids from all the plant food that we otherwise eat. The amino acids accumulate in our body over time. They don't have to be in the same meal. And really what we're after is diversity and quality, and our body will grab the amino acids that it needs and build its protein and build its muscle and build its neurotransmitters. So it's really not necessary to supplement and pursue protein at every turn. We're gonna keep it simple today. And as the base, we are going to use water. And another thing that's nice to do with smoothies, so you can totally take your smoothie on the road in a sippy cup or in a thermos or just have it in a cup, but having it in a bowl actually allows us to eat it with a spoon. It's blended, which makes it easier for digestion, and then eating it with a spoon also is starting the digestive process, especially for carbohydrates in our mouth. So it's a little bit less of a surprise than like knocking back a big smoothie and like dumping it in your stomach and saying, good luck, you know, digestive enzymes, handle that. We're actually like dining on it and enjoying it in the process. Smoothie Bowl. kind of has all the things. It's sweet, salty, crunchy. We snuck a ton of fresh greens in there. It's just simply delicious. You don't taste the spinach at all, which I wouldn't mind, but you don't. You get to chew it. It's very gratifying and it's very filling with all that fiber. You could totally switch it up, but work this one into your rotation. For more episodes of plant-based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.